Hello everyone, welcome to the video. This is day 17 of JavaScript 30 challenge. In today's video, we are going to do something simple. So what we have to do today is we have a array that has some name or some string. So in our string, we have some articles at the beginning of our string. So what we have to do is we have to actually sort these names or sort these strings without article. That means if I sort uh, this one, then a will not come at the beginning, rather this string will come at the beginning, right? So let's see how can we do that. At first we are going to write our sort function. Inside our sort function we can call a arrow function that will take two parameters, that is a and b. As usual, we will write if a greater than b, then return 1, return 1, else return -1, right? Let's see the output. Bonds is not defined by. Sorry, it should be bands. Now as you can see, it is actually sorted, but the problem is the string started with an article a is at the top, and the string started with a word, actual word that is started with a is not at the top. So we actually want to avoid this article and actually sort based on actual word. So how can we actually skip those articles? Let's actually write another function that is avoid article. It will take an string band name. Now what it will do, actually it will return a string, another string that is actually band name, band name dot replace. Now inside our replace function, we actually want to replace all the articles, right? So I will write a regular expression here that is starting with an article and an space, because there is a space, so it should be a or n or d. And the main fact is it should be case insensitive, right? So we are giving I as our flag. Now what we want to replace it with a empty string, right? This is an empty string without any space or anything. So what we are going to do now is add a trim function also, so that there is no extra space available in our string. Let's now try this. If I pass a string in our avoid article, let's start with an article, the function, okay, but it gives actually only function. That means it actually removes the article, also this string, this space here. So it is now working. So what I have to do is just simply add our function avoid article here and pass a and avoid article b. We are not actually changing the actual string, we are just comparing the actually return value of this function, right? So it's just a comparison, not the actual change. So let's actually change it with a arrow function, with a single line arrow function. So I'm removing it and just adding this with a ternary operator. then it should be 1 or -1. Right, now let's check. As you can see, it is actually sorted without article. So here is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, M, N. Yes, it is actually working. So you can see that an old dog is at the 7th position, where O sleeper is at the 6th position, right? And though it has an N at the beginning of the string, it is not going to the top. So our actual purpose is done. Now what I have to do, make a list, right? We have a UL tag in our HTML. We just have to put all the value in our HTML. Okay, let's take the HTML here. Sorry, I'm just doing it directly. Document dot query selector. It should be bands. Now I am taking inner HTML. I'm actually adding a map function on this band, bands.map. It will take an arrow function. Inside arrow function, we are passing each band name, and what it will return, it will return li. Inside our li, we have a name, that is our band name, right? And after that, we have to actually join all the output, right? Let's check the output here. So as you can see, this is our whole list of band name that is sorted without article. So that's it for today. Everything I coded here will be in my GitHub repository, and repository link will be in my description. So if you like the video, you can actually subscribe to my channel. Also check other videos from my playlist. The playlist links will be also in my description below. Thanks for watching.